If I say stop it, all you gotta do is hit the pause button. Okay. All right, let's look at this. I'm gonna make y'all up a problem before we do this. What if y'all have this 8x plus 6x? What's that equal? You add them up. They got like terms to be 14x, right? Okay. So what we're doing now with square roots is the same thing. Some of these are really pretty easy.
So it's basically negative 1x.
So basically, are these the same? Yep, because they're like terms. They both got a root 6. So all you got to do is add up 3 plus negative 4. What's that give you?
Negative 1.
So it's negative 1 root 6. That's all you do on 1 through 7. That is it. These are so easy. All right, so look at number 2. They're the same. Add up negative 3 plus 4. What do you get?
1.
1 root 7. Do I really have to show the 1?
No, sir.
You don't have to. You can if you want to. All right, so JT, you got your calculator?
Yes, sir.
All right, probably going to need it for the next one. So these are the same. So I add them up. Negative 11 plus negative 11.
Negative 22.
JT says negative 22. All right, good. You guys do 4, 5, 6, and 7 the same way. Think y'all got it? And then we'll check them.
Yeah, no, I'm not eating anymore.
Yes, because it's gone. Now you ain't eating no more.
That was horrible.
All right, Jake, what you go number 4? What's the chance for number 4?
4. Negative 1 root 15.
Negative 9 plus 10. Add it up in the calculator. Tell me what you get. Negative 9 plus 10. Negative 9 plus 10 is 1. So it's 1 root 15. All right, number 4, I got 1 root 15. Everybody good?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, let's go to the next one. Carter Steve, what's your answer on number 5? Carter says 2 root 7. He is correct. All right, Hunter, add them up on number 6. Tell me what you get.
Negative 7.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Negative 7
root 17.
root 17. That's how you
Like a
say
road
it.
number.
All right, y'all do number 7 the same way?
Yes, sir.
All right. Kyler, add them up for me. Negative 10 plus negative 11. What do you get?
Negative 22 root.
Oh, add them up again.
Negative 21.
That knocks in him. You can't help it. Negative 21 root 11.
Look, it's on the paper.
All right.
I said it wrong.
All right, so everybody's good on those. Those are all easy. You're going to have some of those easy ones on the test Thursday, but most of them are going to be like number 8 on the test. All right, how's number 8 different? Look at it. Yeah, they're different roots. If they were the same roots, you just add the numbers up. These aren't the same.
You got subtract.
No, here's what we do when they're different. We can't break this one down because nothing divides into 3, so y'all just drop it down. All right, now, we can divide something into 27. You guys look on the board. All right, Justin's already said 9. 9 times what equals 27?
3.
All right, if you don't know it, you use your calculator. It's 9 times 3. All right, I didn't leave myself enough room here. We'll go back. All right, so y'all see the 3 that's in front? You got to leave it in front, so bring that down. Drop that down too. All right, now here's the tricky part. Y'all ready? What's the square root of 9 turn into? Turns into a 3, right? Y'all want to guess what we do with these numbers that are in front of that root? Times them. 3 times 3 is 9. Write that down. Now, y'all may not understand how I got 9. Do I need to explain that again? We're going to do a bunch of these. Allison says yes. All right, look. That was root 9 changes into a 3. Then Allison, anytime you got numbers in front like these two, you times them together. That gave me 9. I dropped down the root 3. All right, so now our problem is just like the first 7. Are these exactly the same? Yep. What do I do with negative 2 plus 9? Y'all add them up. Tell me what you get. Justin says 7. There's my answer. So there is an extra step we have to do on the rest of them. And I'm going to keep showing y'all some of these because this is normally pretty hard for me to catch on to. All right, let's go to number 9. All right, number 9, I got 2 root 6 minus 2 root 24. Does anything on the board divide into 6? No, because 4 don't go into 6. And remember, don't ever count 1. So we just drop this one down, just like we did on the last problem. All right, now, I want you guys, don't say anything out loud, find out what you can multiply that gives you 24. Could I do 3 times 8? That equals 24. Could I do that? No, why not? One of the numbers has to be one of those numbers. All right, Ellis right here says 6 and 4. So I got root 6 and root 4. Which one's a perfect square? The 4 is. So we can use those. You couldn't use 3 times 8, but we can use that. All right, now what does this 4 right here turn into, Tyler? That turns into a 2. Do y'all remember what to do from here? 2 times 2 is 4 root 6. Good. All right, it's not that bad, then. Y'all kind of understand it. Now finish it up and then try number 10. All right, Justin, what did you get when you added up 2 and negative 4?
Negative 2 root 6.
Negative 2 root 6 is your answer. So guys, I'm going to ask that y'all show me a little bit of work. You don't have to show a lot, at least one step. All right, question. Does everybody understand how I got negative 2?
Yes, sir.
Allison, we good? All right, let's go to 10. 2 root 6 plus 3 root 54. All right, we just did 6, and we just said nothing on the board divides into 6, so drop it down. Now, I'm going to give you guys a chance to break down 54 quietly. Don't say anything about it out loud. See if y'all can figure out which number on the board divides into 54. How we got the rest of it? I don't know. All right, so Justin, what numbers times together to give you 54?
9 and 6.
I think that'll work. Justin says 9 times 6. All right. JT, what's the square root of 9 turn into? Y'all don't help?
3.
Good. Now, what do I do with the numbers that are in front? Good. So it's 9 root 6. So Justin, I believe you're right. Now, these are the same, so I can add up. 2 plus 9 is 11. It looks like some of y'all are starting to get the hang of it. All right, try 11 and 12. Now, the back's going to be some different type problems, but 11 and 12, same kind of problems. Number 11, negative 1 root 12 plus 3 root 3. All right, does anything divide into 12? I believe so.
3.
Hey, can I do it this way? Could I do 6 times 2? Could I do that?
No, 2.
No, because neither one of them's a perfect square. So you said what, Justin?
4 and 3.
Justin said 4 and 3. All right, don't say anything. See if y'all can finish it out. I've been outside last couple hours. They said the temperature was going to drop today. It's dropping.
It drops to 54.
It's going to be 33 tonight. It's going to be pretty cold. We hadn't had many winter days so far. I like winter.
It snowed in Florida.
Alone.
No, it snowed in the panhandle of Florida. It did.
Get out of here, JT.
If North
When?
Florida snows
10 years ago?
No,
When?
like literally the other day.
No way.
There ain't no way.
It snowed in Alabama too.
All right, so JT, what's the square root of 4 turn into? 2. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. All right, so that's what that was going to look like when you bring it down.
That's what I got.
All right, well, anything on the board divide into 3. Let's check. No, and remember, 1 doesn't count. Don't even try 1. So I just dropped that one down. All right, Danielle, what's your final answer gonna be on this one? Use your calculator if you need to. Yep. Positive 1 root 3. If y'all add up negative 2 plus 3, you get positive 1. Drop down the root 3.
I did that.
All right, y'all try 12 now. Do 12. See what you got. Number 12. I got 3 root 3 minus 1 root 27. I don't think anything goes into 3, so I can drop that one down.
9 and 3.
All right, Justin says 27 breaks down into 9 times 3, just making sure 9's up there. All right, that'll work. So now what square root of 9 turns into?
3.
3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Wow, this one's different. All right, now, these are the same, so add them up. What's 3 plus negative 3 give you?
0.
You can write 0 root 3, or you could just write 0 on this one. Either answer's fine. I would probably just leave it like that. But if you just, because 0 times negative 3 is 0, so I would accept 0 too, but I'm going to write it 0 root 3. All right, flip it over. I'm going to let you guys do 13, 14, 15, and 16, and 17 in a few minutes. Y'all don't need my help on that. It's the same thing as on the front. But I'm going to help you with 18. Let's do 18. Negative 3 root 18 plus 3 root 8 minus 1 root 24. Now, I'm not going to give y'all many of these long ones on the test because they take so long. You have to break down each one of these square roots. There's no shortcut. You're going to have to just try to find numbers on the board that divides into them. I'm going to give y'all about a minute to get ahead of it. All right, so see first what you can divide into 18. Hunter said 9. 9 times what? All right. 2 times 9 will work on 18. Y'all go from there. Now, if you can't do this in your head, it's okay. You got a calculator.